Hi, I'm Mike Lizzi. I'd like to talk to you about what steps to take after an automobile accident. An automobile accident is a very serious type of incident. So the first thing you want to do is to stop. Don't even think about continuing on your way or dismissing the incident as something that doesn't require you to stop. You got to stop and be mindful that if you don't stop, you're going to be prosecuted. And both New York and New Jersey prosecutes hit and run offenses as not only a motor vehicle violation, but as a separate criminal act. So stop. The next thing that you have to do is to determine if there are any injuries involved. If anyone or you are injured, call the police, call an ambulance, or have the police call an ambulance. The next thing to do is to identify the parties involved in the accident. And those include the other driver, witnesses, and passengers in the vehicles. Take a photo of the driver's license and the insurance card and even the registration of the other driver. This way you have all of that information. You have name, address, date of birth, license number, insurance policy number, etc. You're going to have enough information there, and you're going to need it. You want to get as much information on any witnesses, including name, address, telephone number. The same goes for any other passengers in the vehicles involved, because they may not show up on a police report. Now, the next thing to consider is whether you're going to move your car or not. Well, if it's a serious accident, you don't want to move the car. Again, if no one's hurt and you're obstructing traffic, then you can do that. But be careful. That should just be where the accident is extremely minor and the position of the vehicles is not a real important factor. Now, you want to get the police report. So you want to call the police, and if they don't show up, you want to get to a police department and report the accident within 24 hours at the latest. Speaking about the police, if they do arrive, they're going to ask for license, registration, proof of insurance. Be calm, stay cooperative. Give your version in a calm way to the police officer. Make sure the police officer notes your version of the accident. Get the police report number and ask how and when you can get the police report. But be polite throughout the whole thing. If you believe the other driver is drinking, tell the officer or officers that that's the case. You can tell the police that you were wearing a seatbelt. You'll probably be asked that. Get the police report, check it for accuracy. You have a right to correct the police report. You have a right to go back to the police department and make the corrections you want to make. With insurance, you want to notify your insurance company and the other driver's insurance company immediately about it, or have your attorney do it. With regard to your injuries, you want to get to a hospital from the scene if you have any symptoms whatsoever. Sometimes injuries don't surface until a few days or even weeks after an accident. So get evaluated by your primary care physician or a physical medicine and rehabilitation specialist, an orthopedist, or a chiropractor even. You do all those things. You submit your medical bills, any medical bills, have your attorney submit them or submit them yourself. There are time limits, and for notifying the insurance company of the incident. You want to keep track of any lost earnings or lost time from work. You want to apply for any lost earnings benefits, lost wages with an attorney. No matter what accident, doesn't even apply only to an auto accident. It could be any accident. Get a competent attorney's opinion from and the attorney who is experienced in the particular type of accident involved. The opinion and the consultation are free, and the attorney can help you with what to do, what to expect. Search for the proper physicians for your injuries who are familiar with the no-fault system and with automobile accidents and can help you in your case. The attorney can help you process insurance paperwork, bills, file for a lawsuit for your injuries, settle for a full, fair, and just amount of compensation, and even try your case to verdict. So a good attorney will be there for you throughout the course of a case arising from an automobile accident.